Hi, I'm Amelia, and welcome back to Rampe It Up, where we take an ingredient you might have in your kitchen and show you 2 ways to level it up at home.
Welcome to Ramp It Up Grilling Edition. We are in my backyard and we are ready and we're on fire. This grill is on fire. Are we on fire? I don't know. That was whack. I'm sorry. What I like to do as soon as my grill is this hot, like it's been hot for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you can see that there's just like leftover residual stuff. This is a grill brush. I like this one. It's super heavy duty, which means I can really like put my muscle into it. There's also like a scraper on this side. Usually if it's really, really hot, this feels like it's like at least 450 degrees around there. Then all you'll need is the brush. And you just brush it like your teeth. Get all the little crusty bits off because you don't want that in your food. When I'm cooking like grilled vegetables and sausages, I always try to like think about my vegetarians and make sure that I cook all of my sausages last. That way there's no like cross-contamination. So the first thing we're gonna do is put the skillet on. You always wanna remember to keep hot pads. Save your hands. This handle is gonna get extremely hot because it's touching the heat from the grill. So we're gonna start with putting a little bit of oil here. And we're just gonna use, a couple tablespoons, just get it nice and hot. And you can see it's already starting to shimmer. Ready? I'm just gonna use my hands. You can hear it sizzling, that's what you want. Tongs, very important. You can see there's some searing action. Things are getting a little darker. That is what you're looking for. You don't want them burned, but you definitely want a really good sear on them. It'll give it a lot of flavor. Again, use your hot pad, very important. It's very important to grease your grill grates before you start cooking, but this is super, super hot. Instead of greasing my grates, I'm gonna make sure I put a nice coat of oil on the vegetables. And so that way when it makes contact, it won't stick, it'll give it a nice sear. I put my cherry tomatoes on skewers. That way, you know, you're not juggling cherry tomatoes on the grill. Whoop, there it goes. So we'll just put those on just like this. It's gonna happen really fast. So like you can grill things, but you gotta really like pay attention to your heat. Sometimes it's hotter than others. If it's hotter than, it's like super, super hot, that means your vegetables are just gonna cook that much faster. So you just have to like make sure you're taking care of everything, keeping an eye on everything. Things don't cook very much longer than 5 minutes at a time, like vegetable wise. Do a little grill here. And so what we're looking for is for some nice color, some sear. These look bursted, but they're gonna like kind of get a little softer. And once they get softer, that's when you know they're done. When the juices start to kind of release from here, you can see there's some color already happening. Check on these guys, what are they doing? Oh, he's got some nice color. Getting there. Let's put something else on. Let's put some scallions. I love scallions that are grilled and charred. They have so much great flavor. What we have here is cheese, halloumi cheese, and if you don't know anything about halloumi, I'm happy to tell you that it grills up fantastically. That's what makes it so great. But what people really love about it, it's like, one, it has great flavor, and 2, it really stands up to heat really well, so it doesn't like melt like a cheddar does or like American cheese. It keeps its shape, it holds grill marks, and it's just like another like delicious bite to put inside your pita. And then we're gonna toast our pitas directly on the grill. We just wanna get a little bit of toastiness on it, get them a little softer. I put a coating of oil on the sausage. That way we create a little Maillard here. It's gonna give some grill marks. The sausages will kind of like puff up a little bit, and you'll see once the char is on both sides, you'll start to see that they're cooked, and that's when you remove it.
So Amelia, why not just make these on the stove?
Two reasons why I would not do all of this on the stove. One is flavor. I want the flavor of the grill. Not only do I don't use like charcoal briquettes that have like chemicals in it. I'm using just this wood briquettes. I feel like the flavor is so much better. Two, when you cook all of these vegetables inside your home, like your house is gonna get super smoky. So cook it outside. Not only will you get the flavor, but your house will be free of all the smoke, and all the smoke can happen outside. And your hair can smell like smoke. It's gonna be great. Eau de barbecue is the new perfume. Ooh yeah, we got flames now. Oh yeah, ooh, those smell delicious. All of our vegetables are cooked. They look exactly the way they should coming off the grill. We have some nice char on our cheese. We've got some nice char spots on our garbanzos. You're gonna wanna like put everything, you can set it all out just like this, or you can make it pretty and put it on a tray. I always try to make everything pretty because once things look appetizing, then people get excited to eat, and hopefully it tastes as pretty as it looks. All right, everything is all cooked and ready to go. I've decoratively put it on this platter. The way I like to eat this, I've torn the pita here. You can keep either your whole half a pita, but I like to do like bites. That way, every bite is different. I got a little aioli here. I squeezed some lemon juice, and then this is it right here. Yeah. This is very delicious, and I think this means that the video is almost over. So I hope you learned some new tricks, how to use your grill, for more than just grilling. You can use your cast iron on there. Don't forget to grease your grates or grease your vegetables before you put it on the grill, and make sure you season your food and make sure you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video or the food, leave it in the comments, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And now I'm gonna invite the neighbors, invite my friends, invite my family over to come eat this platter with me because this is way too much food for me. Come on in, grab a bite. What's your favorite bite? You've had this before.
Yes, I have.
What's your favorite bite?
Meat.
Meat. That's my girl. You wanna cheers me? Cheers.
Hey guys, Amelia here from Rampe It Up. Did you like this video? Then make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more.